Hello traders, in this review I'll be taking a look at the great breakthrough EA for MT5. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let us just jump straight into the MQL5 Marketplace page and see what this expert advisor offers. Right away, we can see that great breakthrough EA is listed at 99 US dollars. The version shown here is 77, version 77.0, updated on October 21st, 2024. The developer also notes that the MT4 and MT5 versions can produce different results due to platform differences. So this review is specifically focused on the MT5 version. As I scroll through the description, the developer emphasizes ongoing updates and continued development of the EA. There is also a recommendation to keep the software updated, as newer versions may include improvements that affect overall operation. Looking further down the page, the developer explains that the system works during the evening trading session and uses patterns of price behavior within a specific trading period. Beyond that, no additional strategy details are provided, so it's important not to make assumptions about the exact entry or exit logic. The marketplace page also provides very specific usage instructions. The EA is designed to operate on the M1 time frame and supports a list of currency pairs including AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD NZD, CAD CHF, CHF JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, and USD CHF. Now, the developer repeatedly stresses that the correct pairs and time frames should be used to ensure proper operation. Moving into the features section, one of the notable points is that every trade is accompanied by both a stop loss and a take profit. The developer also clearly states that the system does not use martingale, averaging, grid trading, or similar money management techniques. Another feature highlighted here is the use of pending limit orders. All right. According to the description, the EA executes trades using limit orders to seek execution at what the developer describes or rather considers a better price. There are also several configurable settings available. Traders can choose between fixed lot sizing or automatic lot sizing through the money management option. Additional controls include trading day filters, swap related filters for Wednesday trading, symbol configuration settings, and the slippage analysis feature. The slippage analysis tool is particularly interesting because it allows users to review how their broker has historically executed orders. The developer notes that disabling this function can reduce processor usage while still preserving previously collected statistics. Now let us move into the backtesting section. As always, when reviewing historical testing performance, I prefer to focus on how the EA behaved throughout the test period rather than looking only at the final result. The developer also points out that strategy tester results can vary from broker to broker, which is an important reminder when evaluating any automated trading system. All right, let us see how this EA performed. From what we can see here, this shows 1,160% profit over 41 weeks since 2022. And this shows, okay, this was deposit of $1,000. This shows initial deposit of $36.5, 201% over 5 weeks since 2022. And here we can see 2020 to 2022, $1,000 to $7.825 million, 9 pairs simultaneous test. Let's head over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026 using recent market data. So we're testing the great breakthrough EA on AUD CAD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we are testing from the beginning of 2026 till date. and we are using the last ping to the server for the delays. As for the modeling, we are using every tick. All right. Now, looking at the backtest results from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was negative 17.19. And we can also see that the total trades taken were 90. And out of those 90 trades, 58 were profitable. So that gave us a 64.44% win rate. And the largest profit was 0.74, largest loss was 4.75, average profit 0.56, average loss 1.55. So this also shows me that the EA targets short-term price movement, because for the largest profit to be just 74 cents, it means this EA is really a short-term, based trading expert advisor. And apart from that, the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, because the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite much. This is literally, close to times three. The loss is close to times three of the profit, right? Now, looking at the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the information provided on the marketplace page. Meanwhile, I would recommend that you run this test over a longer period of time. Run longer term testing yourself, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and with different broker environments. The system is designed around pending order limits, or rather pending limit orders, and operates during a specific evening trading period, right? So since the exact internal entry calculations are not disclosed, it is best to focus on the observable trading behavior that we can see, right? When evaluating the historical backtest results, keep in mind that performance can vary significantly depending on things like risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. All right. So overall, the Great Breakthrough EA presents itself as a multi-currency MT5 expert advisor that is designed for M1 trading with stop loss and take profit protection, pending limit order execution, and several risk and trade management settings. Okay, so as always, I recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering live deployment. So that's my review of the Great Breakthrough EA for MT5. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.